Welcome to Covenant Woodworks. Established in 2003, Covenant Woodworks is a family-owned cabinet company located in Gainesville, Georgia, and providing service to the surrounding areas. Whether new construction or remodeling, we make sure your project is finished according to schedule and is ready for you to move in. At Covenant Woodworks, our designs include cabinets, countertops, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, closets, custom hoods and vanities, offices, laundry and family rooms, and custom barn doors. Our team will offer you a blank slate for us to interpret your style and design. We work proactively to make sure your project is constructed and installed on time. Visit our website for more information or give us a call today.